Another thing we want to be with our presentations is unexpected. And here our principal, maybe Ms. Rosenfeld, you want to read this one for us?
Be surprising in a convincing way.
So these ideas of surprising and convincing come from a book about novel writing by E.M. Forster. He wrote a book called Aspects of the Novel, where he's talking about how to create round characters that are really compelling. And he says you need characters that are surprising. You don't just want mechanical characters that you can predict their every move, but it needs to be in a convincing way. So we're not necessarily talking about how to write a novel. We're talking about how to put together a presentation. So we're going to take a look at how this kind of unexpectedness plays out in two really good presentations. One's by Bill Gates, and the other is by Steve Jobs. So two tech icons. And the Bill Gates presentation is 2009 when he's at the TED conference, and he's talking about a number of things. One of them is malaria. So he's talking about how much of the world really lives in fear of mosquitoes because of malaria. And he's saying the rich world doesn't necessarily comprehend how big a problem this is because we don't live in fear of malaria mosquitoes. So what he does is this really kind of unexpected things. He brings out a mosquito who's filled with malaria, and he puts it on the table in front of him in a jar, and it's just sitting there. And then he says, you know what? I'm going to release this. He takes the jar and lets the mosquito fly around this conference room. And the reason he says this is because he wants everyone to feel what it's like to be most of the humans on the planet. And he actually says this, Miss Ayazi.
There is no reason only poor people should have the experience.
And that's a really wonderful way of communicating his point. It's very surprising. If you watch the video, and I encourage you, there's this real hush and this reaction as the mosquito is going on, but it's also convincing. It's not just surprising, it's convincing.